Hello, Interread. Welcome to our breakaway box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook, box break number 44. Here's last night for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the box. So it's any 206 548 484. That's any 206 548 484. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So we have a storied signatures, 15 out of 50 of Bernie Pernant for the Flyers. Do the booklet last. Base card for the Lightning, 24 to 249 of Steven Stamkos. And our booklet is a dual rookie class book of Mikhail Grigorenko and Rasmus Ristolainen. That card goes to the Sabres. The guys to the Sabres. There we go. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.